Okay, so we recently found something really, really cool that we want to show you guys. And it has to do with what we're calling auto discounts. So we were doing that thing where we're looking in our database, always trying to find better data for you guys about how to grow your conversions, about how to make more money, right? And we found something nuts. So let's walk to the studio. So we found that when coupons were applied to an order, right, that we have almost 3x conversion rates, which is a crazy number. There are actually like super few things in our world that make that big of a difference at all. And so the moment that we start hearing tripling your conversion rates, things really start popping in our brains. But it makes sense when you think about it. Our entire world is based on the idea that when you make it easy for your customers to buy, that's what they're gonna do. And auto-applying a coupon is just another way of making it really easy for someone to buy. Think about how Amazon does it, right? How many times have you gone to Amazon and you go and say, click to apply this coupon, it knocks some money off the price, and you're off to the races. And so we actually took that and turned it into a feature inside of your SamCart account. And I wanna show you guys how to tap into that exact same thing using SamCart's Checkout Anywhere, the new embedded checkout, and this brand new auto-applying discount thing. Let's check it out. All right, so let's say I have a SamCart checkout looks just like this one, this being our brand new Express checkout, new this year with Checkout Anywhere. Super clean, super fast, all good stuff, right? You've got order bumps. You could see details about a specific order bump before adding it to your order, right? All good things. Now, if I want to auto-apply a discount here, all I have to do, right, is grab the URL to this page, and I need to type in $coupon equals, and then the name of a coupon I've created. So in this case, I have one that says 20 off that I know is going to give 20% off the total. And just like that, I am done. Now I could grab this URL. I could drop it into email marketing broadcasts, into cart abandonment follow-up campaigns. I could send it, to customers for special discounts for Black Friday coming up or something kind of like that, right? Coupon equals, drop the coupon. And when it comes here, coupon is automatically applied to your product for your customers. No extra typing, no nothing. Now, if I want to take this a step further, right? What if I wanted to take, that checkout experience and I wanted to bring it back to my sales page on my domain? The landing page you send somebody right after your webinar, the homepage of your website to buy something right here, right now, right? Well, you can see right now we actually already have this awesome experience, our new embed experience added. This is built with Webflow, right? But let me show you exactly how you would do the exact same thing, right? So go into SamCart, open up the product that you want to do this for, right? That you want to embed, that you want to add on. Go to the Checkout Anywhere tab. And this is where you'll see two options. You'll see your embed, right? And Express. Express gives you that URL. You just copy this link and open it in a new tab, and I'll be taken back to Express, just like we had before, right? But if I want to embed this same checkout somewhere and save my customers the extra clicks, bring e-commerce closer to where your audience is, right? A massive, massive advantage. By the way, people using our new Checkout Anywhere stuff, Express and Embed, they are, converting way higher than old stuff, which is crazy because our old stuff was crazy good too. But come to the embed, right? And copy that embed code, okay? It's now copied on my, on my what do they call it? The notepad or whatever it is. And then I'm going to come back over to Webflow. You can do this with whatever you build your web pages with. This is Elementor, this is WordPress, this is Squarespace, does not matter whatsoever, right? And then all you need is an HTML widget, right? So I'm gonna come in here, I'm gonna double click on the HTML widget. I'm gonna paste in that embed code. You will notice how short and sweet this is. It's crazy, crazy tiny, which is awesome. And it's got this area right here that already says coupon equals, and it's got two quotes, right? All you need to do is plug in your coupon in those quotes. So I'm gonna do the same thing, right? 20 OFF, 20 off. All right, so again, copy the embed code, paste it into whatever you use to build your web pages, and drop in your coupon code between the quotes, right? And then watch what happens next. I'm gonna hit save, and then in Webflow, I have to publish my changes really quick. Ta-da! And then I'm gonna go ahead and just open this in a new tab. And so what you're gonna see is, I'm gonna load up this page, right? SamCart's checkout goes ahead and loads up, and it's got the 20% off code, not already just there, right? But it's already applied. So someone lands and they see this beautiful thing with their subtotal, and it's already, knocked down a certain price. It's like the power of Amazon and what they do for you right there, right? And I could go ahead and keep adding. So I could save more as I continue, well, this customer in particular could save more as they continue to add on new additional things to their cart. and go and check out. It's got one-click digital wallets, so Apple Pay, Google Pay, it's all there. It's got stored credit cards with Stripe Link, which is outstanding. A lot of good stuff to love there. But this auto-apply discount thing is wild. Whether you want to do it in an embed situation like this and bring the world's best e-commerce to your website, or whether you just want to do it by grabbing the Express URL, pasting it in, and just adding coupon equals, right? But that is the auto discount feature we have just built for you guys, right? Brand new update, available like yesterday, today, something kind of like that, right? Go check this out. Use it with embed, right? The embed stuff is so cool. Add it to your homepage, sales page, whatever. Use it with Express, either way, right? All good things. So much to like here. Check it out. Let us know how it works for you. And we'll see you guys with the next product update. Take care.